Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer and tap on the contact list. Now let's find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it and choose Edit Contact. Right now we have to tap on this camera icon right in the middle, and here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and you can take a photo. Or we can choose a photo from the gallery. So obviously I will pick this option. We can choose where we want to and with which app we want to complete, and the action I will pick the gallery. So let's find the photo we would like to set and tap on it. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size of this square. Let's check if we can zoom. Oh my god, what happened? If we can zoom the photo. Actually we cannot. So all we can do is to just change the position and the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after Save Me Call Contact, because this area is responsible for it. So just position it like you want to, and if you're ready, just tap on OK. As you can see, it appears right here, but remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner, it's very important. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied, and after getting back you can see it on the contact list, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.